If you're thinking of selling soon, here are upgrades under $500 that can boost your home's value fast. After 20 years of helping sellers, I can tell you this. Small improvements make big impressions, especially when buyers are comparing homes online. Here are my favorite budget-friendly upgrades. Number one, fresh paint. Even just the entry kitchen or primary bedroom can instantly modernize your home. Light neutral colors photograph beautifully and make spaces feel bigger. Number two, updated lighting. Swapping out outdated fixtures for clean, modern ones elevates the entire room and makes your home feel warm and inviting. Number three, new hardware. Cabinet pulls, doorknobs, and handles may seem small, but buyers notice matte black or brushed nickel instantly feels current. Number four, simple landscaping. Fresh mulch, trimmed shrubs, and a few potted plants can dramatically improve curb appeal, and first impressions matter. Number five, deep cleaning and decluttering. It costs very little, but clean open spaces help buyers emotionally connect. You don't need to spend thousands. You just need to know where to invest. For more honest advice and proven strategies, make sure you click to subscribe.